it's Hannah with WTI. Do you need some peace and quiet in your life? You need to keep these earwax pillows by Peace and Quiet in your house. They are so nice to have, whether you need them every night or just every once in a while. These things are so easy to use and are very adjustable depending on the size of a person's ear and how much you want to block out noise. So if you work these in your hand a little bit, one pillow can be divided into two. You just work with it, make it soft, and you can get these in pretty good and you will not hear hardly anything. But if you're like me, sometimes you still need to be able to hear a little bit in case there's an emergency. You can just put these more just in your ear without working them down. Another thing that's cool with this set is it comes with a little travel container that will hold two pillows. So if you're going on a trip, you can just grab those two little ones. They won't be a mess. They'll stay nice and clean. This is a set of 28 and it will last you for quite a while because like I said, one pillow can be divided into two and you can use them over and over and over. So if you're looking for a nice way to block out some noise, this set is really nice to have, but that's just my point of view.